Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be learning about another amazing function inside Python called Enumerate. See, Enumerate function will help you a lot actually whenever you are working with the indexes. So let me give you one example. Let's say whenever we define any kinds of for loop, let's say I'm having a list of the numbers. Let's say I'm having, or let's say I'm having list of the names here. So I'll just write. Let's say I'm having this list of the name. Now I will apply the for loop on top of it. I'll just write for name in L, and I'll simply print this particular name here. Now see, if I select my kernel, so it will execute the program, and see, I'm getting my name here. Now see, sometimes actually it's a little bit hard for me to get the index, like what is the index of Bapi, what is the index of Alex, because I need to count, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So it's like very irritating. Let's say we're having thousands of name here, and you don't need to count actually thousands of index there. Okay, it's not actually possible. So if I want to assign some index, okay, with this particular, let's say item, what I can do, I can use something called enumerate function. So what enumerate does, it will assign an index. Okay, by default it will assign an index. So let me show you. So instead of writing like that for name in L, I'll just write for a name in enumerate. Okay, enumerate of L. Okay, enumerate of L. So you have to pass this particular list inside this particular enumerate function. Okay, inside this particular enumerate function. Now see what will happen. Now if I print this particular statement, now see, it will return a tuple. Okay, it will return a tuple. Inside this particular tuple, in the first value you'll see it's a index, and the second value it's your actual item from a list. Okay, that's the idea. Now if you want to unpack it, you can easily do it. So the first value I want to unpack, and I want to keep it in a, let's say, index variable. Okay, I want to keep inside an index variable, and the second value I want to keep inside a name variable. Now I can simply print the index as well as the name. Now if I execute, it's working fine. Now easily I can see, okay, Bapi is the first index, Alex is the let's say second index. Okay, that's how actually I can see all the index number. I hope it is clear. Now let's say you don't want to let's say take this particular 0 as a starting value. What you can do, you can also change it. So here you can use this particular start parameter, and here you just need to write the 1. That's I want to start from 1. Now if I execute, it will start from 1. So that's actually you have the flexibility to change this particular index value, like from where you want to start. You can do anything here. Fine. So this is a quick topic I just wanted to let you know, because sometimes actually you need it. Sometimes actually you need it whenever you are working with, let's say, these kinds of iteration. Sometimes actually you need to see that particular, let's say, index of that particular item. Okay, and to get that particular index, definitely you can use this particular enumerate function. So with the help of index also, you can write some logic. Let's say I'll just write if let's say index, okay, index is equal 3. Okay, if index is equal 3, that time actually I need to print the name. Okay, you will see Kumar is Kumar position is index 3, so it will print the Kumar. That's actually you can also write some logic with the help of index value as well. Okay, so it's like very powerful function inside Python. You can also use called enumerate. Okay, sometimes actually you need it whenever you will be doing the projects and all. Fine. So yes, I just wanted to let you this particular quick topic. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.